In this quick video, I'll show you how to deposit BNB to Metamask from Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to Wallet and click Overview. And then click Withdraw. Click Withdraw Crypto. And then click here, select BNB. And then go to your Metamask wallet. Click here, paste the address, and then type down the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, but make sure that it is 0.01 and above. So for example, I want to withdraw 0.015 BNB, and you can choose your wallet here. So since I have my funds in funding wallet, I will click here, and then you will receive this amount of BNB. Then click withdraw, click confirm, click continue, and then you will have to go through security verification. So you should type down your authenticator code, your email verification code, and your phone number code. Then once you have filled up all this information, click submit, and then wait for the transaction to be completed. So you will be able to see here your recent withdrawals. And then once the transaction is completed, you can go to your Metamask wallet and check if you have received the BNB in your Metamask wallet. And if you have any questions about how to deposit BNB to Metamask from Binance, leave a comment below.